Hello children, today we are learning new dance. I am starting with slow step. Sidewise 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next cross open, shift right side 2 times, cross open, shift 2 times. As it is 4 times we do this step. 3 and 4. Again cross open, cross nicely 3 and 4. In this step I am using single hand 2 times and double shift back. As 1, 2, shift back 2 times as it is. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Single hand right, left, double 3 and 4. Nice. As I am showing hand up 2 times, up and up. Shift right, then left side. Nice. Again 1 and 2. Step change, open hands sidewise, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again open, bounce 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Throw your hand down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Open, down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Touch your shoulder up and bounce 2 times. Again cross up, bounce 2 times. Cross both hands up, bounce again. Shift front 2 times and back 2 times. Next keep your right leg front, left front and shift 2 times sidewise. Left, right and shift left side 2 times. Again 1, 2, shift right, left, right, shift left side. In this step slowly snapping the finger sidewise 2. Again both hand using snapping the finger. Again both hands snapping the finger and shift, snap, shift, snap. 2 times say shift. Repeat all the steps same as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again cross, bounce 2, 3, cross, down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and both hands open, down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cross up 1 and 2, bouncing, cross up, bouncing 2 times. 1, 2, up, cross 1, 2 and front 2 times, back 2 times. All the steps same. 2, shift 3 and 4. Again front your leg 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last 1, 2, 3 and 4. So move your right leg out, left out, then bounce 2 times. Again left, right 2 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Wow. Again repeat all the steps. Bounce, up, bounce, cross, up, bounce, bounce, both hands, shoulder, up, bounce, bounce. Front 2 times, back 2 times. Last pose.